Hey guys, this is Captain Platinum here. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out my new intro and outro. I've made the first one on renderforest.com. By the way, it will be down in the description if you guys really want to see it. But this time I've edited out the RenderForest watermark because it costs a bit of money to take that off, and well, I'm broke. So I just edited it off on Shotcut, a free editing software that will be also linked down below if you guys want to download it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna play the intro. There's gonna be a poll at the information card at the top right now, and it's just gonna be asking if you guys think this one is better than the old one or not, if it's an upgrade, if it's worse. So if you guys want to show some feedback, just click on the little information card at the top right and give some feedback. Now onto the outro. I did not use any outro maker or any website to create my outro. My old outro is very simple, and you could literally search up YouTube outro on Google Images and would find it. So I wanted to be a bit more professional and made my own outro on GIMP. Like I said, all links in the description. I'm not even gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna preview it for you guys. Tell me what you thought on the outro in the comment section down below. Other videos will be coming out. I just wanted to test these out first and see how well it worked and get some feedback. Also, I've changed up my whole channel banner and channel art and profile pics. So if you guys have any feedback or anything, or any advice or anything to say about that, if it's better than the old one, just comment down below. If you guys have any ideas or controversial topics I should talk about next, just comment it down below and I'll probably do it. What should I do? Kim Jong-un, the Pentagon releasing UFO footage, the new Assassin's Creed game, Alinity and how she basically never gets banned on Twitch, or anything else. But for now, peace.